So this here is my ModTub 2.0. I just got it. That is going to be the step. That is the cover of the back. We'll see that later. Here's the water chiller, maintenance package, various stuff. So I'm going to put it together, and we're going to see how long it takes and how hard it is. All right, that's it done. So this is what the ModTub looks like. This is a chiller. The water will go into that, get chilled, and then dumped back into the box, into the tub itself. This is an ozone generator for sterilization purposes. They also included a vanity box so that your neighbors don't see all the pipes and worry that you might be doing something illicit. So I'm now going to go to washing it out and getting going. So what I'm doing now is, it just got shipped to me. So I'm going to fill it up a little bit, let this run through, filter it a little bit, and then I'm going to empty it all out. And then I'm going to use filtered water in it. I don't have the chiller on. This is just the pump. The pump is sucking it from there, and it's spitting it out here. Oh, look at that. I got a leak, so I got to fix that. Okay. So what I'm doing right now is I've washed it, and I've scrubbed it down, and I filled it up with a little bit of water. Now I'm going to drain it. And the way I drain it is I run the water through here, and it's getting sucked into there, and then pushed out through this hose, and that's where it's going. And so I'm going to wait till it runs almost out, and then I'm going to turn it off again, clean it up again, and then I'm going to fill it one more time, and that's it. So one of the benefits I have of having this right next to my garage door, I was able to unplug it on the side and drain it that way, which is a lot faster. So you just got to remember to put that piece, the plug, back in the jug, as they say. But that's why I have it parked where I have it.